Hi, this is Wayne with Sears Parts Direct. Today we're going to talk about cleaning burned-on residue and food particles from your gas cooktop. First, we'll clean the grates and burner caps. Allow the burners and cooktop to cool completely before you start cleaning. You can use gas Grate Cleaner to safely clean most grates and burner caps. You probably got a packet like this with your new range or cooktop. Here's a link if you need to order some more. Here's how it works. Fill your kitchen sink with about 2 gallons of water. It doesn't have to be hot water because you're going to soak the grates overnight. Add 3 tablespoons of gas Grate Cleaner to the water. Stir the water until the granules completely dissolve. This stuff is strong, so wear gloves and avoid getting it on your skin. If you do, rinse it off. Completely immerse the grates and burner caps in the cleaning solution and soak them overnight. The next day, put on some rubber gloves and drain the sink. Using a scrub brush or abrasive pad, clean softened soil and residue from the grates and burner caps and rinse everything thoroughly. Wipe the grates clean with a towel. Don't use this cleaner on enamel-coated grates and burner caps. If you're unsure what kind you have, check your owner's manual for cleaning instructions. Next, we'll talk about cleaning the burner head slots and ignition port. This will keep the gas flowing well so the burner heats evenly. First, wipe the burner head with a damp cloth. Remove food and residue between the burner head slots using a toothbrush. To remove stubborn residue, use a paper clip or sewing needle. A small gauge wire works also. Make sure that you clean the ignition port so the burner ignites properly. Wipe the burner head with a damp cloth after cleaning the slots and ignition port. Clean the rest of the cooktop surface with Cooktop cleaning cream. The cleaning cream is safe to use on painted surfaces. Follow these tips to keep your cooktop working and looking like new.